Yeah.
Hey, I faded in, bro.
Yeah.
Can you see the camera? A little bit. YouTube, I've returned with a 360 seasick waiver. You guys are gonna love this tutorial. Haircut came out fresh. We got a number 2 double magnetic guard going with the grain. We're combing his hair as we go along, just so the hair is consistently cut. And we're gonna go all the way around following his growth pattern, the way the hair is growing. Alright, we're going to start the back taper by using the Babyliss Gold FX trimmer. And instead of using a half guard right now, we're going to use a 1.5. And what we're doing here is we're going to see how the waves look instead of fading up. So we're going to fade down. So this is a 2 guard, 2.5 open, and we're just going around. And we're not going into the waves as much as possible, so we're using the angles of the guard, and we're just trying to make a soft blend. Now we're gonna fade out the bottom line. Now we have the 1 guard, and we're going to connect the bottom to the 2.5 that we did. And we're going to go where the hair is growing. Now the hair is not growing straight, so we're going to go where the hair is growing, so every hair is different. Follow the growth pattern so you don't have dark spots in the back. See how I'm going at a corner, at an angle right there in the corner? That's because the hair is growing a little bit to the left. This is the most satisfying part of a haircut, is when you just tap that neckline. When the back taper, it just instantly pops out, looks beautiful. So that's what we're doing right here, going around the ear, pulling the ear down. And right here I saw a little bit of darkness, so I'm just taking that 2 with the corner, combing the waves down, and I'm just trying to lighten it up a little bit. Here we're gonna do the same thing, just tap. Look how beautiful that looks. Tapping the neckline and making that back taper pop out. And these 360 waves just making people nauseous, seasick, all kinds of stuff, man. Alright, we're going to start the skin taper. We're going to have this taper real low because you don't want the waves to be affected too much. You just kind of want them to blend into a nice little tapered sideburn. So we're just using the corner of the blade, and we're pretty much taking out that bottom square sideburn part. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Appreciate it. You know what I mean. And we're using... Subscribe to his dad. Thumbs up. Got the thumbs up going. We're using the corner of the blade right here, and we're not going too high. We're combing down with the comb, and we're working the taper as we're going up. using the corner of the blade right here because we have such a small area. You don't want to use a full blade because then you're gonna push the fade up the taper too high. Using a little detail work with the gold FX, and we're just trying to create that little swoop action going, combing down the hair, going up with the two. We're just trying to take the heaviness away from the taper so it doesn't look like it's skin and then dark. So we're just trying to lighten it up a little bit, going back, doing a little detail work right here. Here's a technique you guys can use. If you see a little bit of a line or a little bit of a dark spot, you can go in and point cut into the taper. That's a cool little technique. I'll throw it out there for you guys. On this side, to start the taper off, we're going to use a 1.5, and we're doing this the same way. We're going to blend down. Now we have the 2 guard, and what we're doing here is we're not affecting the waves that much. We're trying to take out the darkness, and then we're going to start our taper. We're going to blend down. So this is so we don't make it too high. We're creating a little bit of detail with the gold FX right here. Alright, we're gonna bald out a little bit of that mini sideburn down there. And we're just gonna take the 3-0 and we're gonna make a little bit, and we're gonna open up the lever, and we're just gonna make a real small compressed little taper right here. And we're going to use the corner of the blade, and we're going to follow the swoop, not going too far into the swoop, and we're not going to go too far behind the ear. We're going to spread outwards each way so it creates a nice little blend. Alright guys, we're going to line them up right here. If you have one side higher than the other, you want to probably start with that side so you don't go too high. Pretty much his hairline is straightforward, so we're just making sure that we're getting all the hairs that grow over, that come down, because he has a 2. His hair is a little bit long, so when you comb it, you don't want those little hairs to go over the lineup. So it's a lot of combing down, tapping, and then finishing it up with the razor, constantly looking in the mirror to make sure we're going as straight as possible, and yeah, just making it happen. All right, guys, we got another one in the books. If you made it this far, I hope you guys like and subscribe. Show some love to the channel so other people can get the content. The thumbs up help. It pushes the algorithm for YouTube forward so other people can see this haircut. If you like it, let me know in the comment section below. And I got another one in the vote. I'm going to drop that probably tomorrow. So keep on the lookout for that, guy. Hit the notification bell and we're out.
He took a picture of my cut.
Like kind of run your
Yeah,
down the side.
I didn't do a video of your cut.
Yours don't, your waves don't hit like mine,
So
homeboy.
then when you're looking at the blade, you're pretty much looking to see if one side is a little bit more.
Yep.
You out your league here.
So you're just trying to see that peak is even.
The apex, I heard it's called.
Yeah.
You a good runner up at the
That
command.
shit's fucking,
A lot of people just know it.
Runner up.
It's easier to
Yeah.
so they know what you're talking about.
Yeah, apex all fucking. Would you like you try to be all literal?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's cool, man. Thanks, Hank. That's cool, brother. Hell yeah.
Don't get too comfortable, Joey.
I'm about to